Oh baby, come be my lady. Take my love, baby. Don't be lazy.
Sac passé, na boulé, na manger du ricolé. Comment tout le monde y est, tout le monde bien, tout le monde en forme. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good and had a good weekend. Today I am finally doing this hair review. You guys, I've been waiting for this for so long. I got the hair and it came and I had my hair done and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to take my hair out so I can do this video, because this is my very first lace wig. I had other wigs before in the past, but this one, I hope it's the real deal. I took it out and look at it. It looked amazing. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join the family, and give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment box below. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, like I was saying, this hair is from Luvmehair. I actually get this, it was on Instagram. I saw the ad and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute, I have to get it. And this little box is so cute, so I'll show you guys what the box, so cute. This is the hair, this is the hair, this is the hair. I am so excited. I'm pumped. And it came with this little baggie. Let's see, has comb, which is so nice, which I already have a comb out. Hair clips. Has a little plucking thing, you know, to plug the hair. This is good. This is good. I am so excited. It's so pretty. And you guys, I got this hair for $139. I think that's how much it was. I mean, I don't think it was that expensive for hair. I don't know, like when it comes to hair, I know it's gonna be pricey. So what we're gonna do, we'll take it out. They sent me 2 of them. How nice. So next time when I use this again, I don't need to get a new one. Alright, let's take this off. I already went and cornrowed my hair last night, so it's all ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna go and put this on. Actually don't look too bad on this, just like that. I can go out like that. Okay, so I am using the Gatuli glue. This wig, it has a comb in the back. Oh, interesting. And then one on the middle, 2 on the sides. I like the hair from the sides better than I like it in the middle, like the part. I like that part from the side. So what you guys think? I don't know if I have that line too far up. All I'm trying to do is, you know, protect my edges from the glue. And we're gonna turn it inside out. Just like that. And we are going to, I'm using it in the shade of dark. Okay. Thinking right here. Yes, okay, it feels tight right there. And I am using this. Alright, you guys, it took me a while to get a hang of the baby hairs, but I think I figured it out. Now they're just chilling underneath this. So what I am going to do, I'm gonna use my spray bottle just to make sure everything is up tight. And I'm gonna go back with my Sick Forming Styling Lotion. I feel like I have. These curls are so beautiful, you guys. It looks so good. Like, I love this already. I think my problem is gonna be with this hair is that it sheds. But you know, there's always gonna be something wrong with it. But you know, I'm gonna do one more little touch up. I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna go with my powder here.
African woman, say African woman, you are sexy. African woman, you do right. Say African woman, she does sweet. African woman, beautiful, and if she give you your love, you give her in return. African woman, you too much. But one day I will.
I am in love with this, you guys. I like it. I think I have to get used to it. Like, I love it. I love it. Like, it's soft and it's super curly. I think I did a good job for doing this for the first time. Like, yes, it took me a while, but I did pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, you think I did a good job, I don't care. I think I did a good job. But if you like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed by now, please subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and hit the notification bell so whenever I post a new video you can get it right away. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment box below, and I'll also link the website where I got the hair from on the description box below for you guys. So if you want to check them out, they have all types of hair. I saw this one, I thought it was really pretty, really cute, so I thought I should get it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.